At first glance, this rock looks rather ordinary, but something remarkable happens when it's exposed to UV light. It almost magically glows with red, green, blue, and yellow colors. This is impressive to the naked eye. However, this video will demonstrate there is far more detail and beauty hidden within this rock when examined with a camera and an extreme close-up lens. This rock came from a former zinc mine in the Franklin, New Jersey region of the United States. Starting over 1 billion years ago, conditions within the Earth were just right to bring several elements to react together. This included calcium and zinc, carbon, silicon, and oxygen, and importantly, the elements manganese and lead, which are fluorescent activators and are present in just the right small amounts to produce the color changes seen in the minerals in this rock. These minerals include the green fluorescing Willemite, the red Calcite, the blue-violet fluorescing Hardystonite, yellow Clinohedrite, and the non-fluorescing black Franklinite. Franklinite is black under both white light and the fluorescent light. With ultraviolet light of just the right wavelength, electrons in the fluorescent minerals are excited to a higher energy level. But at the same time, some electrons are falling back to a lower energy level and emitting visible light in the process. The color seen is dependent on the level of the energy jump. For close-up photos, I used a Canon EOS R10 camera with a manual Laowa macro lens. Shortwave UV was provided by a 70-watt Ingenious Design dark light, and longwave was provided by a UV Beast flashlight. A tripod with a focus rail kept everything steady. To determine how much detail I could see with this camera arrangement, I focused on this one spot of Franklinite that is about 0.8 of a millimeter diameter, actual size. Within the Franklinite spot were very small regions of light from green Willemite and blue Hardystonite. Based on my camera sensor's pixel size, many of the very small points of light seen in the following close-up photos appear to be 20 microns or less in size. Now let's look at close-ups of different regions of the rock under different lighting conditions. This photo close-up shows the shift from white visible light to long-wave UV and finally short-wave UV. This region of the rock, with its yellow Clinohedrite clouds together with Willemite stars, reminds me of the beautiful photo of the Pillars of Creation taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Lighting conditions are critical for the Willemite because it glows so brightly. This close-up seems like Willemite icebergs floating in a black Franklinite sea. Here, a hidden calcite vein glows red under shortwave UV. I especially like this close-up, since it clearly shows the rock's 4 fluorescent minerals plus the non-fluorescent black Franklinite. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll like and consider subscribing.